Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. As requested, a lot of you wanted to see a review on the PowerHouse kitchen cleaner, the non-toxic dollar cleaner that I found at the Dollar General. I'm going to give you like a quick overview and review of the product and insert kind of me using it around the entire kitchen. This is only $1 at the Dollar General, 16 fluid ounces. They've added a nice delightful grapefruit scent, and it says fragrance for happier cleaning. I think that I normally don't like grapefruit personally, the smell, but this was actually really nice and refreshing. I love the packaging. The nozzle looks like this, just a typical nozzle. Of course, you have the stream mode, 2 off modes, and a spray mode as well. Cleaner basically is a multi-purpose cleaner. So if you want to wipe down your counters after cooking, doing dishes, whatever it may be, just a regular wipe down, it will take care of that. It will take care of your greasy messes, your spilled messes. You can even just quickly wipe down your cabinets with this product. This is a fantastic product for $1. I definitely highly recommend this product. The scent alone just smells so good, but the product actually performs. Also, I want to point out, because this is a non-toxic cleaner, it is free of sulfates, parabens, and among other things. The ingredient list isn't that long. I'm going to insert a still right now of the ingredients and the directions on the back of the bottle. Just like most cleaners, this is keep away from children and pets. I personally found that this, once I sprayed it on the stovetop, now you'll see in one clip it was just dirty from cooking, fried something, so there was like grease splatter. So I let it set on the grease 30 seconds to a minute, and it dissolve that grease. It was literally working like a powerhouse. The other mess you're gonna see, I made a batch of chocolate oatmeal cookies, and if you've ever made those, the pot splatters usually. It's kind of messy, it's a sticky kind of candy mess, and I done that on purpose also. I made an extra mess just to see, because it's a really sticky mess when you make those cookies. This cleaned it up, no problems at all. So far it's holding up to where I would like a kitchen cleaner to be. It does away with grease, tough stains, tough messes in general, and it also is gentle enough to wipe down the counters whenever you want. So this works on countertops, stovetops. It works on wood surfaces, so I am pretty impressed with this. I definitely recommend trying it if you find it in your local Dollar General. I hope you guys found this review helpful. If you guys have any other additional comments or questions about this product, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check the description box for additional links. And I thank you guys so very much for watching. And don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell if you haven't already.